Hi, I'm Zach Taylor from Vanmark, and today I'm going to show you how to change the cutter head and hydro tube on a compact system. First, you want to make sure your valve is closed with the air discharged. Then you take your key from the control panel, put it in the captive key interlock. That unlocks the sleeve. You take the two Destaco clamps, open those, and then slide the sleeve off the inlet side. This allows you to remove the hydro tube. You set that to the side. Then you have your cutter head. Right now we have a 4-cut wedge installed. Using the included tool, you can remove that. This allows you to change out the blades, switch to a different cut style, whatever you need to do. Then we can reinstall the cutter head into the cutter head housing. When you're holding the cutter head, be sure to not stick your fingers in the bore as the blades are very sharp. At this point, you can take your hydro tube, whether it's a different size or the same one you just pulled out, and reinstall that. Starting with the sleeve, that'll seal the inlet side of the hydro tube. And you take the discharge side and seal that as well. Now you can take your key out, and that locks the sleeve in place, and you can put the key back in the control panel and restart the system.